Hi, my name is Kurt. I'm Musikuss Tonkultur and we are representing Venu Acoustics in Austria. Sissikuss has a very imperial design and it's a very old location, and so we like to underline the gold effects in the pavilion, and so we decide for a custom gold design from the Indigos, and we think it was a very nice finish.
I'm Katharina, and with my husband Kurt, I've been running this business since 2017. It's a very special place. You can meet up with friends, you can attend to any party on weekends, you can listen to good music, drink wine or beer, but you can also shop your favorite Bad Ischl product. We got special speakers inside. It's voice system that was definitely the best decision, because with the sublimation of this system, our customer base grows. Oh, it's brilliant. It's really brilliant. The sound is really, really cool. It's amazing in our shop because it's a historical music location, and with it, yeah, it's great. It's perfect.